Pittsburgh Flat Roofing has one rule: keep the puddles off the roof. At my Pittsburgh Roofing, we call it flat, not fish pond. Simple humor, solid truth. Certified crews install TPO and EPDM roofing systems all season long. Our A+ BBB standing and generous system warranties gives owners real peace of mind. Not to mention the hundreds of reviews we have collected over the years. Schedule your free estimate before rain writes its own invoice. Flat roofs in Pittsburgh face unique challenges. Heavy storm, pooling water, and temperature swings can lead to leaks and costly damages. At my Pittsburgh Roofing, we start with thorough inspection to assess your roof condition. Our certified experts then implement efficient and timely solutions using high-quality materials designed for flat roofs. Whether it's installation, repair, or maintenance, our experienced local team ensures your roofs withstand Pittsburgh harsh weather. Our commitment to excellence is backed by our GAF Master Elite certification and A+ BBB accreditation. With hundreds of 5-star Google reviews, homeowners trust us for reliable service. We offer free estimates and flexible financing options to fit your budget. Ready to protect your property with top-tier flat roofing? Call my Pittsburgh Roofing today and let's get this rolling.